Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can convert your Figma design into HTML code. So very quickly, you want to go to Figma, open up your design right here. Then what you want to do is you want to type in HTML, uh, rather Figma to HTML converter. So we want to use a third party here, but Figma also has some suggestions. So um, if you want, you can look at it this way as well. Convert your Figma designs into functional code. So we can open that. See this one. So just click on that. Then from here, you can add it as a plugin. So convert your Figma designs into functional code. Figma to HTML. It's a Figma plugin that helps convert your Figma design to code easily. So let's run that and see what happens. So click on convert. And now, if you have a design, published design, you just click on this. You'll click on it here and automatically it will convert it for you. Just like that. But since I don't have any designs yet available, that's how you can do it. You can do it directly or you can do the third party option. Like for example, this one right here, Locofy. You can create an account and then translate or convert Figma to HTML. Another app we can use is Function 12, this one. So again, you can sign up for it and then create a design. But if you really want to be safe, like all the designs are there, all the features are there, then definitely just type in Figma to HTML converter and then open and run this program or file right here. And then once that runs in, you can now convert your file into an HTML code. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.